Bellicone shipping costs explained and free global shipping for self-assembly models. Imagine having a Bellicone in your home, no matter where you are in the world. Now, it's possible. Bellicone offers free shipping to any country for all self-assembly models. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates and offers. Join our community and stay informed about everything Bellicone. How does it work? It's very simple. First, configure your Bellicone and choose your favorite accessories. Once you've done that, place your order, and as soon as your package is on its way, we'll send you a tracking link. This way, you can know exactly where your Bellicone is at any moment. While you wait, we've prepared some exercises you can do without a trampoline on our video platform. Now, let's talk about shipping costs. For cart values from 0 to $19.99, shipping costs are $8 for the USA, $25 for Canada, and $45 worldwide. For cart values from 20 to $114.99, shipping costs are $15 for the USA, $35 for Canada, and $45 worldwide. For cart values from $115 to $299.99, shipping costs are $30 for the USA, $70 for Canada, and $70 worldwide. For cart values from $300 and up, shipping is free for the USA, Canada, and unassembled worldwide orders. However, there is a $199 fee for assembled worldwide orders. Bellicone partners with DHL for reliable delivery, ensuring your package arrives safely and on time. Founded in 2003, Bellicone pioneered customized bungee cords for mini trampoline suspension, enhancing all fitness and therapeutic uses. Today, Bellicone offers a complete line of exceptional rebounders, accessories, and a comprehensive online fitness program, Bellicone Plus. Ready to get your Bellicone? Click the link in the description to order now and enjoy the benefits of a high-quality trampoline with free global shipping.